What if I told you that this October, you could witness a comet with your own eyes, watch the search for life on Mars take a giant leap, and see the most powerful rocket ever built ignite on its journey to the stars? That's not science fiction. It's October 2025, and space is putting on a show for all of us right now. You don't need a telescope, a PhD, or even to leave your backyard. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when, where, and how to catch 3 cosmic events that could change how we see our place in the universe. So buckle up, because we're about to jump into the most exciting month for space lovers in years. First, we'll reveal why Comet C/2023 A3 Such Atlas is being called the Comet of the Century, and why October 12th is a date you can't miss. Then, we'll dive into NASA's Perseverance rover and the jaw-dropping clues it just uncovered about ancient life on Mars. And finally, we'll count down to the Starship test flight, SpaceX's boldest step yet toward making humanity multiplanetary. But before we blast off, let me know in the comments, have you ever seen a comet with your naked eye? If not, this might be your once-in-a-lifetime chance. Event 1. The Comet of the Century, C/2023 A3 Such Atlas. Let's start with a visitor from the edge of the solar system. Comet C/2023 A3 Such Atlas has traveled for millions of years from the Oort cloud, the shell of icy objects halfway to the next star, the last time it was visible from Earth. Humans hadn't even invented the wheel. On October 12, 2025, this comet will make its closest approach, just 44 million miles from Earth. That's close enough to see with your naked eye, no telescope required. Here's how to spot it. Go outside about 45 minutes after sunset. Look low in the western sky, just left of the constellation Virgo. You'll see a fuzzy greenish-white star with a tail stretching upward. That's a comet. Why is everyone so hyped? Astronomers say this could be the brightest comet in decades, possibly even visible from city suburbs. Plus, its tail is a cosmic sculpture, millions of miles long, shaped by the solar wind. But here's what really blew scientists away. Spectral analysis of the comet's tail found organic molecules, the same kind found in ancient meteorites that may have seeded life on Earth. So when you look up at this comet, you're seeing a piece of our own origin story, a literal messenger from the dawn of the solar system. And here's the kicker. After this month, it's gone for another 80,000 years. October 12th. Mark your calendar, set an alarm, and don't miss it. But while you're gazing at the comet, there's another history-making moment unfolding, this time on the surface of Mars. Event 2, Mars Perseverance's Ancient Life Clues. NASA's Perseverance rover is exploring Jezero Crater, a place that was a lake 3.5 billion years ago. In October 2025, Perseverance's latest samples revealed something no one expected. Fossilized microbial mats, layered patterns in Martian rocks, eerily similar to the oldest evidence of life on Earth. How did they find this? The rover's PXL instrument detected carbon-rich compounds arranged in complex, repeating structures, almost identical to ancient bacterial colonies in Australia's Pilbara region. On screen, side by side a Martian and Earth's stromatolites. But it gets even more mind-blowing. These rocks show signs of ancient seasonal cycles, wet and dry periods that could have allowed life to thrive for millions of years, not just a fleeting moment. And this isn't just a theory. The rover is drilling into what scientists call the jackpot layer right now. The samples are being cached for a return mission in 2031. Within 6 years, we might be holding Martian rocks in Earth labs, searching for direct evidence of ancient alien life. Think about that. If life evolved independently on Mars and Earth, then life could be common throughout the universe. We're not just looking for little green men. We're asking if the universe is teeming with life, just waiting to be discovered. And while Perseverance is rewriting the history of life, there's a rocket on Earth preparing to make history of its own. Event 3, SpaceX Starship's game-changing test flight. SpaceX's Starship is rolling out for its most ambitious test flight yet. Scheduled for late October, this isn't just another rocket launch. Starship is the largest, most powerful rocket ever built. 400 feet tall, able to carry 100 tons to Mars. What's different about this flight? For the first time, Starship will attempt orbital refueling. transferring thousands of gallons of fuel between two ships in space at 17,500 miles per hour. If they pull it off, it's the key to reaching Mars, the moon, and beyond. Why is this so important? It makes deep space travel affordable and sustainable. It's a test NASA is watching closely for the Artemis lunar missions, and it could mean a human Mars mission within the next decade. The launch window is between October 20th and 25th. You'll be able to watch it live, whether you're in Texas, Florida, or just watching online. This is a piece of history you can witness as it happens.